శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava saying to Vidura like this, O Vidura, I prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, O Krishna, all of your divine miracles are not at all understandable by even great scholars. O Krishna, whenever I remember all of your divine activities, my mind goes restless. O Krishna, I realize that akuntita akhanda sada atma bodhaha. Your jnanam is akhanda jnanam, aparichinna jnanam. There is no limits to your jnanam. Such great wisdom that you have, such great knowledge that you have. But what did you do? You have called me sometimes, and you have taken pruchehe prabho mugdha iva apramattaha. You have taken my advices as if that you do not know anything. Krishna, whenever I remember those moments, I am totally going unconscious and I am totally going restless. Krishna, now you said that you wanted to give me that great knowledge which you gave to Chaturmukha Brahma. Aravindalochana Suravandita Mukunda Indira Sundari Ramana Saraswati Ramanuna Kunkaruninchina Sugnanamu Dharinchu Shakti Na Kunkaladeni. O Paramatma, if you think that I am enough qualified, if you think that I am deserved to get that jnanam which you gave to Chaturmukha Brahma, please bless me with that paramajnanam. Krupaseyumu bhavadiya sasanambu dharinchi bhuri samsara paravarot taranambuseyudunu. O Krishna, please bless me that jnanam. With the help of that jnanam, let me cross this ocean of samsaram. O Vidura, like this I prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that Uddhava saying to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.